guys, it's me Kiran from Foodistan Travels, and today I bring a very delicious recipe for you, which is lo mein. Lo mein is a soft noodles with little gravy. It is kind of chow mein, but chow mein is a crispy noodles and over the top we pour some gravy, but lo mein is soft noodles. So let's cook together, and it's a vegetarian recipe. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Foodistan Travel. Also follow me on Instagram. Lo mein will be done in 3 parts. First sauce, then vegetable and noodles, and then the last is protein. So let's get started. For lo mein, we will need bok choy, or you can take cabbage, capsicum. You can also take only green capsicum. I have used all colors, red and yellow bell pepper and green capsicum, julienne cut carrots, some spring onion or scallions, noodles. I am using tofu as a protein source. You can also use chicken, julienne cut ginger and chopped garlic, some chilies, this is optional, and some ingredients for sauce. So for sauce, first we need 1 cup of vegetable broth or chicken broth. Then we will add a tablespoon of corn flour. When we cook the sauce, it will be glossy and helps the sauce to be thickened. Then 1/3 cup of soya sauce, dark soya sauce, and oyster sauce. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. It is totally optional. Half tablespoon of garlic powder and half teaspoon of white pepper, and sambal or red chili sauce, half tablespoon. Then we will mix everything and keep it aside. Now we will fry the tofu, or if you are using chicken, we will just shallow fry the chicken. So in a pan we will add tofu, now we will dish out the tofu. Do not overcook. Now on a same oil, we will add ginger and garlic. Do not burn the garlic, just saute a little bit. This is very important part of lo mein. Don't skip ginger. Now add carrots and bok choy, chikori or cabbage. Now we will add capsicum and paprika. Do not overcook capsicum, just cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Now we will change our vessel. We will bring wok. I am going to add wok oil. You can also add normal oil. We will add some chili. Vegetables. Now we will add noodles. I am making this recipe for 6 to 8 people. You can just make half of the recipe. Now we will mix it properly first. Now we will add half of the spring onions. And the sauce. Then we will mix it together again on a high flame. Do not switch the flame on low, just keep it on high. Look at this. How glazy is this? So this glossiness comes from the sauce. Just saute it for 5 minutes on a high flame and your lo mein is all set to eat. If you are using chicken, you can add it right now and saute it as well. If you are using tofu, I would recommend to add tofu in the end in a platter or in a serving dish. My lo mein is ready and I am enjoying this lo mein with spring rolls. And let's do the taste test. Let's take a big bite. This is super tasty. I'm going to enjoy this. You can also try and write me on the comment section your experience. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and eat healthy and eat whatever you like. Bye.